Gusto nila, I deserve this.
Deserve
Kaya
ko to.
bibiling ko to kahit hindi ko pa. In essence, doon bumapasok na even utang. Parang feeling natin, deserve natin. Kung wala kang savings, you don't deserve anything.
Sir, can you name 3 bad finance practices ng mga Pinoy at bakit?
Ako, idigin ko lang din yan. I think wrong set of priorities.
Yeah, true.
Second, it links also to financial literacy. Yung stages ng financial literacy. So, unahin natin tong wrong set of priorities. Wrong set of priorities meaning gusto nilang, nafe-feel nila kagad. So, kulang ng delayed gratification. Gusto nila, I deserve this.
Deserve
Kaya
ko to.
bibiling ko to kahit hindi ko pa. In essence, doon bumapasok na even utang. Diba? So, wrong set priorities, gusto ko mag-travel, utang ngayon, travel ngayon, utang after. Diba? So,
Kasal ngayon, fiesta ngayon,
birthday ngayon. Kasi nga, parang feeling natin, deserve natin. Which is, root cause, kulang ng financial literacy. So, the question is, what is financial literacy? Basic lang. Do you save? Kung wala kang savings, you don't deserve anything.
Exactly, yes.
Ano ba isi-save ko? Pag nawalan ako ng trabaho, pwede ba ako masustain nito ng at least 1 year, 6 months ng needs ng pamilya ko at needs ko? Second, insured ka ba pag may nangyari sa'yo para sa akin mo? Kasi nangyayari, pupunta ka agad doon sa lifestyle, which is what you said. So, meaning, before you get to even investment in general, pagdaanan mo muna itong kailangan. Nandito na bibuild yung delayed gratification. Which is, would really mean and equals to wrong set of priorities. So kung ikaw ngayon, ginagawa mo to up until now, probably you need to set back and ask yourself, ano bang priority ko? Enjoyment ko ngayon o mas malupit na